Yo, good morning everybody. I know I suck at making videos, but I had the day off and decided to vlog today. But I hope you guys' day is good so far. Actually, Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year's and Merry Christmas. And today we're gonna do a couple stuff. One, I gotta replace the belt in my car because I just saw the other day that it has a huge crack in the middle, and that's not a good thing. Two, we're gonna add another little modification on the car today with the help of one of my friends. You guys will see him later. And three, I'm gonna do a brake replacement on one of my friend's car today. So right now, guys, we're gonna go to AutoZone and O'Reilly's to pick up some parts, and then yeah, so we'll see what this day takes us today. So enjoy, guys. Oh, when you guys ask like where I'm from, well, I live in a small place called Lake Elsinore in California, and here's the lake right here. Don't get fooled though, this lake is freaking dirty. Hey. All right, just got the parts at O'Reilly's. O'Reilly Auto Parts. And I got this right here. If you do brakes and stuff like that, I've seen this work a lot on a lot of people, so I'm gonna try it myself because yeah, it could be a pain in the butt sometimes trying to squeeze in the pads, the new ones in. But nevertheless, huge shout out to my boy George in there. He hooked it up, helped me out with this. So time to go back home and start working on the cars. All right, we back home already. Got the belt, got a tool for the brake pads. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Look at this. I think this happened when it rained, but look. Oh damn, bruh. Because I don't have any fender liners anymore. And same here. You can see my intake's like exposed, but we'll get that fixed. I personally never done it myself, but from what I've heard, people are telling me it's not that difficult, but it does require 2 people. But yeah, guys. Oh, and also an update. If you guys saw my last video when I went to Big Bear, I did mention that don't sleep on this because something big is happening. It's gonna happen with the Civic. Trust me, this car like this, how it is right now, it won't be like this anytime soon. So yeah, guys, but so far I've had fun with this car as is. Like, it's basically stock with just a little cold air intake. I've had fun with this, had a couple runs with people, lost some, won some, but overall it's all about having fun, you know. Headlights, I need to restore them still. I still need to work on these. I am actually gonna be doing some projects, guys. I got some things in mind that I've been wanting to do for a while. The headlights I did them myself. The LED strip, the amber delete, that kind of stuff, I did it myself. Cracked the housing open, but I want to take it another level. I want to make the headlights look like freaking sick, like different, you know. So wait on that, and I'm gonna be posting a couple of my work, and if you guys like it, I'll definitely be able to do services as well, and I'll probably be selling some headlights online too. So yeah, guys, just keep a lookout for that. If you guys haven't, follow my Instagram. That's where I'm gonna be updating everyone on. That's where all the stuff is gonna be, like anything that's gonna be towards the build or anything I plan to do on projects. That's all gonna be uploaded there. But yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm very excited. Big things coming this year. I slept on last year a lot, I guess, because I let life get in the way. I've been just like school, work, and then other stuff out of those 2 areas, you know, that I've been caught up with. But this year we're gonna make it happen, and I'm excited. So I hope you guys ride this journey with me, and we'll see some growth, guys. All right, so now I just gotta wait for the homie for him to come, and then we're gonna go ahead and work on his brakes. After that, I'm gonna head out to my other homie's house, and then we're gonna start working on my car. speaking about the homie. Damn. Yeah, perfect timing right there, brother. Dang, homie's throwing a holiday spirit right here. Alright, this is the homie I'm gonna be working on his brakes. And yeah, dude, just gotta say what's up to him. Right here, my boy out here, Lalo. What's up, Lalo?
How you doing, man?
Good yourself, bro?
Pretty good yourself.
Hey, good, bro. So we out here getting work on his brakes and get some work done on his car, and then we'll move on to that car after. All right, guys, just a little update. We removed the brake pads already. We got those out of the way, and we're gonna go ahead and install the new ones. I'm gonna go ahead and use this tool now, so this will make it 100% easier to push this piece back inside right there. Because once you put the new brake pads in, this right here is gonna be a tight fit. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then just install the new ones and move on to the next side. Oh, turbo kicking in. All right, so now we got the brake job done. Gonna head up to the homie's pad right now, and we're gonna install an AFR gauge, and we're also gonna do the serpentine belt. So yeah, guys, let's do it. Let's get it. All right, boys, we out here. Came to my boy Josh's house, and oh, you about to see this car right now. This is a freaking race car. Oh man, that's a race car because it has no power steering. This car is sick, man. If you guys know who this is, all-wheel drive 8-gen boosted Civic, man. This car is freaking clean. It's like the only all-wheel drive Civic I've seen that's an 8-gen. My boy put in work in this car. Got the max speed turbo kit on there. Dang, bro. What's up, my boy?
Oh.
How's it going, bro?
What up, big dog?
Want to say hi to the vlog?
What up?
Yeah, man.
I need too much camera, too.
Yeah, that thing's freaking clean. All right. I'm excited.
There we go.
It's a 2-month wait though.
Woo! Oh! You want me to just...
Bro. Oh man.
I don't know how you rolling around like that, bro.
I still gassed it like that, bro. Oh
Yeah.
man. One right here. So this is what we're gonna install. We're gonna install the AFR gauge, and gonna run all the cable in right now. And then yeah, we'll see what happens on here. All right, so my boy Josh got the wire running through the firewall here, and he's at the bottom right now. I think he's gonna remove the O2 sensor that was on there. Got right under here. Hello.
What's up, babe? What are you doing? Damn it.
Hi.
See that piece, that connector?
Yeah.
We might have to put some of these back in, but...
Okay. So this is a secondary piece of the O2 sensor, and it was kind of a pain in the butt to remove it because the rod and subframe part of it was in the way. We got it out of the way though. And now right now he's just connecting the O2 sensor and the secondary part of the downpipe. And then we'll move on to the next step. Well, meanwhile, he's my boy Josh is getting some stuff taken care of inside his house. I'm gonna start removing this piece already, just because we're gonna put the gauge right in here. I got the idea from Zuvi, so Zuvi TV. Shout out to you because you gave me that idea on there, and I'm gonna put it on mine. All right, so I saw him in a video. He was removing some clips off from here. Should be fairly easy, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And let's see. So you just pull it a little bit. You got this right here. Boom, just like that. Oh, brother. And then you see this right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 screws come off, and then we'll have more play with this piece right here. Boys, it's gonna go right here. All right. I'll put the link down below too if you guys want to get this piece as well. It's like 35 bucks for one side or 50 bucks for the both. If you're planning on boosting it, I mean, might as well just get both so you have AFR and boost gauge. But yeah, and then go ahead and do this. Let me just adjust the camera real quick, make sure you guys are getting it. All right, easy, easy. It should easily come off. Okay. Got this piece coming out. Okay. Huh?
I washed my hands. My hands got really greasy. I don't want to get the car all dirty.
It's all good, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this down here so I get some sunlight. And just angle it here. All right, boys. This is what your vent looks like right here. Got this piece here. Got this piece right here. So what you're gonna do next is, remember, got this pieces in here. This is the entrance part. I heard that putting these pieces on could be a little difficult, but we'll see. Oh man, look how great that looks already, right off the bat. Oh man, I'm so excited about this. Hoo-wee. Okay, I actually gotta wait on this because I still need to run the wires from back here, so we're gonna hold off on this for now. We got the pieces already assembled off, and then we're gonna put on the AFR gauge right after, but we need to run the wires first. So it's up to you. I'd probably just keep this. Always keep your stock parts just in case, because you'll never know when you're gonna want to go back to stock. And meanwhile, we got Josh out here running all the wiring going on here. Okay. I would have been lost by now. Yeah, he's a very smart guy. He loves building cars and stuff. But he ran all this wiring through already, and I'm just gonna connect it back there. Couple more steps and we're getting closer. All right, so now we're running wires through. We can go ahead and connect the band on here and put this in here, and then big one goes in here. And then the small one goes in here. Pressure gauge too?
Yeah, but that's gonna be a pain in the ass to install. I don't have one, but mainly on a fresh motor, you know, you kind of this has oil pressure.
Yeah.
That would have helped me on my built motor. That. But this is unopened, so I'm really not worried about it. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go.
Oh man. Ooh. All right, man. I got that out of the way.
Let's see. You can actually plug the.
All right, little update for y'all. Got the AFR connected already. Josh ran the wires through. Now he's gonna test the wiring.
Yeah. I'm trying to find a circuit that turns on when you have the ignition on. Is it on? Which one's this one?
All right, boys, we are headed home. Huge shout out to my boy Josh for helping me out install the gauge and help me install the serpentine belt. Car's good again. We did install this right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it because it's a little dark right now, but it's not reading because I do have to calibrate it, and because I am still on a base map, it might be potentially reading it as it leans. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that as soon as possible and calibrate it, and I definitely need to get a tune. I haven't been tuned on at all, so I've been on a base map for a while, which I don't recommend, but because I have different plans and I'm planning on boosting it, that's why I haven't really touched the car. As you can see, as you guys saw earlier, my car is pretty much stock other than just exhaust and just a carb legal cold air intake. But yeah, but nonetheless though, I mean, I'm happy with how it looks right now. It's gonna be looking even better now, like when it starts working, it starts reading. But yeah, guys, so right now I'm gonna head home, gonna finally rest up. I do have some things I gotta do, but yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video today, and then just stay tuned for more videos. I do have a couple more stuff I need to install in the car. I'm basically prepping it, so I'm definitely gonna be recording now and making videos out of it, so stay tuned. If this is your first time watching this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I got plenty of more content coming. It's gonna be definitely dope content. And yeah, guys, so I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, everybody.